Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Hello with multiple user accounts, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Nest Hello with multiple user accounts, start by ensuring that all users have a Google account. Download and install the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Google Home app and sign in with the primary user's Google account. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set up Device from the menu. Choose New Devices and ensure you are connected to the Wi-Fi network for your Nest Hello. The app will search for devices nearby. Once your Nest Hello is found, tap on it to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process for the primary user. After the primary user setup is complete, return to the main screen of the Google Home app. Tap on the Nest Hello device to access its settings. Select Home Members or Shared Users from the device settings. Tap Invite Home Member to add new users. Enter the email address of the user you want to invite. Choose the appropriate permissions for the new user, such as View Camera or Control Camera. Once you've filled out the necessary information, send the invitation. The invited user will receive an email notification to accept the invitation. Instruct the invited user to accept the invitation and sign in with their Google account. After acceptance, the new user will have access to the Nest Hello camera features. Repeat the invitation process for any additional users you wish to add. Ensure all users are comfortable navigating the Google Home app for optimal usage. Finally, educate users on how to manage their own notification settings and alerts from the Nest Hello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.